Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna demonstrate to you how to analyze your demographic data or personal data using frequency distribution. Your data can be in variable view or data view. So to do this, you go to Analyze, then Descriptive Statistics. You select Frequencies, and here you select the items that you would like to analyze. So I'll select the gender, use the arrow in between to push it to the other side. I select age, then I'll select education. You can highlight all and select it at once. I'll now click on statistics and there's nothing to change here, so you click on continue. Then I click on the format. You can decide how to format it. I want it to be in ascending, so continue. Then after all this, click OK. This is the results. And as you can see, the gender, the age, and the education I picked has been analyzed. You have the generalization of the results. Then you see the gender, the age, and the education. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give it a like.